What is up, guys? So today we are having a Nerf war between one of my friends, and go subscribe to Exploit Ethan. And so
It's Evil Ethan.
So this kid is trying to steal our Nerf darts. So, and he is telling us to go fight him. And go subscribe to him, Lizzie and Sean and channel. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's just get on with it. Nah, he's finding darts. He's finding darts all the way over there.
Yeah, how? He's stealing them. I told you, he's stealing them.
He's not stealing them, bruh.
End the video, god dang.
End the video, god dang.
Want me to undo too?
No.
Okay.
I'm fine. I'll hide this shit.
That went high. You almost caught it.
Yeah. I've caught an arrow before.
Today's video we're going to be doing a Nerf war against my
Too close.
Subscribe to his channel. I am Aiden E, no spaces, and the filmer Sean.
Okay, so supposedly, zoom in at that guy. Supposedly that guy, he says he's not stealing our darts. So
Our mom, not his mom, my mom.
Give us a moment, please. Give me and my friend Adam a moment, please.
okay, hold on real quick.
We need a moment. How's your day going?
Good.
I'm good.
This is a derp moment.
Okay. Okay, I'll dip up. I'm gonna go over here now.
Are you following me?
Okay, well, this is like a little video of my own.
It's a video and a video.
Follow me by this girl over here.
This is behind the scenes in Adam's video. Hi. And this is behind the scenes in Ethan's video. Hi. I'm seeing this video. No more behind the scenes. Dun dun dun. Subscribe to our channel.
We gotta go ask him.
What?
In the front. We gotta go ask him. Ask your mom. Okay,
Should we
so
just end the videos now?
we might go to his house.
Guys, let's just start the video once we actually go confront him, okay? So I'm gonna
Okay, so